Printer. This versatile tool supports project documentation with two key functions: print PDF and export DWG. These functions streamline the documentation process by enabling advanced printing of selected views or sheets to PDF and DWG files, with full control over settings, paper formats, and printing options. File names are generated automatically according to predefined patterns. Time is saved, and a consistent format of the entire documentation is ensured. Now let's showcase the Print PDF function. Launch the Print PDF tool, and let's review the application window. We see all available sheets that we can print. I will select all of them. We won't see views here, only sheets are available for printing. I am setting the highest print quality and proceeding to the naming settings. Let's choose the parameters that will constitute parts of the file name. We can add manually entered fragments between the selected parameters. The entire process is fast and intuitive while retaining full functionality. Let's save the settings file with the prepared print naming scheme. We give it a name and then confirm our actions. Let's set the save location for the printed drawings in PDF format. We select the Save folder and confirm. Here we have the option set to produce separate prints for each drawing, but we can also print them all to a single PDF file. Pay attention to the sizing of the printouts. The tool manages this automatically, setting the correct format. We click the Export button, and it's done. All selected sheets have been printed and named according to the defined scheme. Let's see how the Export DWG function works. Define the save location for drawings in DWG format. Select the Save folder and confirm. Now let's head to Naming Settings. Press the Import button and use the settings file with the prepared naming scheme. Select the file. The complex naming scheme is now active. Confirm the settings and continue the process. This time let's export all drawings, the same way as we did with PDF prints. Press the Export button is pressed. All selected sheets are exported and named according to the defined scheme. The export is completed correctly, fast and intuitive like all your Pocket Tools functions.